to lose belly fat faster as a beginners. Getting rid of the stubborn fat in your belly region is not easy. You must do certain exercises to reduce belly fat. Are you new to workout or have done some workouts in the past, but did not get the result you were looking to achieve? Or are you looking for workout routines to help you lose belly fat faster? We have some answer for you. Now, here are the 10 best workouts for the quickest and easiest way to get in shape faster. However, you should be persistent and consistent for these to work for you. Do all 10 together in a sequence each time you do workout to achieve maximum results. 1. Plank. Holding a plank position is great for toning up your abdominal muscles. Kneel down on a mat. Place your hands on the mat like you are about to do a push-up. Place your elbows on the mat. Extend your right leg back, then your left leg. Keep your neck, back, and hips in the same line. Keep your core engaged. Hold this pose for at least 30 seconds. For a more difficult plank, lift the right leg and also hold it for 30 seconds. 2. Leg raise. Lie down on your back with your legs straight and together. Place your hands by your side and keep your legs straight and lift them to the ceiling until your butt comes off the floor. Slowly lower your legs back to the ground. Wait for 2 to 3 seconds, then again take your legs up. 3. Mountain climbers. Get into a high plank position with your hands placed directly under your shoulder and toes tucked in. Keep your neck, back, and hips in a straight line. Do not pike up and curve down. This is the starting position. Bend your right knee and bring it near your chest, pause, and then take it back to its original position. Repeat the same with your left leg. It should look like you are running on your hands and knees. Speed up and do it as if you are running. Do 2 sets of 25 reps. Take a 20-second break before doing the next exercise. 4. Russian twist. Sit down on the floor with your knees bent and feet lying flat on the ground. Lean back slightly so your torso and thighs form a V shape or a 45-degree angle. Clasp both your hands in the front and lift your feet slightly off the ground. Engage your core muscles to twist your upper body to the left and then to the right. 5. Sit-ups. Lie on a mat or floor, flex your knees, and place your heels on the mat. Engage your core and place your hands at the back of your head. Lift your head and shoulders off the floor and look at the ceiling. This is the starting position. Use your core strength to lift your body off the floor and come to a sitting position. Go back down to the starting position slowly. Do 2 sets of 12 reps. 6. Bicycle crunches. Lie down on a mat, flex your knees, and lift your feet off the floor. Place your hands at the back of your head and lift your head off the floor. This is the starting position. Push your left leg down and extend it straight. Simultaneously, curl up and twist to your right. Try to touch your left elbow with your right knee. Curl back down and bring your left leg back to the flexed position. Do the same with the other leg. Do 2 sets of 12 reps. Take a 10-second break before doing the next exercise. Bicycle crunches are great for toning up your abdominal muscles. 7. Push-up. Position yourself face down on the floor with your legs together. Your palms should be on the floor shoulder width, apart with your elbows pointing towards your toes. Push your toes into the ground with the balls of your feet touching the ground. Raise your hands up, creating a plank position, and then lower your torso back down until your elbows reach a 90-degree angle. 8. Lying alternate toe taps. Lie on the mat and lift both your legs. Extend your hand up, lift your head and upper back off the floor, and engage your core. This is the starting position. Curl up and try to touch your left foot with your right hand. Curl back down. Curl up again and try to touch your right foot with your left hand. Do 2 sets of 15 reps. 9 V-ups. Lie on your back and extend your arms behind your head. Feet should be kept together and toes pointed. Keeping your legs straight, lift them up and at the same time raise your upper body off the floor. Keeping your core tight, reach out for your toes. Lower yourself and return back to the original position. 10 scissor kicks. Lie down on your back with your legs together and hands underneath your buttocks. Lift your right leg off the ground slightly past the hip height. At the same time, lift the left leg so it hovers a few inches off the floor. Your back should be on the ground. Hold this position for 5 seconds, then switch the position of the legs, making a scissor kick motion. To make this exercise more challenging, lift your head and neck off the floor. Doing any of these exercise routines alone is a good abdominal workout as it is. But combining all 7 will pack a punch to your belly fat. And remember, you must be consistent and persistent. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. All subscribed, please turn on your notifications.